Jira charges you per user, Linear charges you per user, Monday, ClickUp, Asana, same story. Plane costs exactly $0, and it gives you the same core, tasks, sprints, docs, triage. 50,995 stars on GitHub, not a single subscription fee. You deploy Plane with one command, Docker compose up -d. No license key, no cloud signup, no phone number. You run it on a $2 VPS or your own laptop, it works. The database is PostgreSQL, the backend is Python with Django, the frontend is React. You do not need a dedicated ops team, you need a terminal and 10 minutes. Plane replaces the 5 most expensive project management tools. You create issues, you drag them into columns, you assign them to team members. You write documentation inside the same app, no separate Notion or Confluence. Sprints work like Jira but without the $100 per month bill. Cycle tracking, backlog grooming, velocity charts all present. The tech stack matters here. Django gives you a mature ORM and authentication. React gives you a snappy UI, PostgreSQL gives you reliable data. You can fork the entire codebase and change anything. You can add your own integrations, you can rip out the UI and replace it. Plane is not a locked product, it is a starting point. What is good? Plane ships a full project management suite out of the box. Self-hosting means 0 data leaks, 0 vendor lock-in. The documentation is clear, the issue tracker works, the sprint view is fast. For a small team or a startup, it is more than enough. What is missing? Mobile app is not native, the web app works but the experience on a phone is clunky. Advanced reporting is thin, you do not get the analytics dashboards of Linear. Third-party integrations are limited, no native Slack or GitHub sync. The design is functional, it is not beautiful. But you can fix all of that because it is open source. You pay with time instead of money, that is the trade-off. If you need a polished product today, buy Linear. If you want control and 0 recurring cost, run Plane. Go to github.com/makeplane/plane. Star the repository, give it a 58,000 star. Subscribe to Open Sourcery, comment what you want me to cover next. Plane is free, your attention is not, use it wisely. End.